Hi Taurus, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing a money and work related reading for you, Taurus, which is going to be a first on this channel. Some of you reached out and requested me for one, and I said, hey, why not? We're all going through a money crunch right now, right, with the COVID and everything. So, and yes, Taurus, love and money are energies. We attract it or we can block it. So I thought, yes, maybe, some people can be helped knowing what are their strengths and weaknesses and what we can do to attract more money and abundance into our lives. So let's see where this goes. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most to attract abundance of money and good work into their lives. Thank you. So Taurus, these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. Also a big thank you to all my subscribers. The channel is barely 3 months old and is growing rapidly. And I feel so happy to know, read all your messages to know that, things are being helped through this. I am very, very grateful to you and Spirit for giving me a chance to be, the person who can bring you these messages. Also, if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel, join our little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for love readings, monthly readings, bi-monthly. And today we're doing a work-related reading as well. But Taurus, I'm going to just change this spread. I suddenly realized this is not the spread I want for you. So I'm going to give it one more shuffle. And now we begin. Sorry, I just got a little, my mind went off track. Okay, so this is what you're going through. This is what are your hurdles and what you should let go of. And Spirit's secret message for you to attract money in your life. Page of Swords in reverse. Let's see, Taurus, what you're going through currently. Four of Swords in reverse. Coming out of healing. What happened that you had to go into healing, Taurus? Why is the Four of Swords here, Spirit, for Taurus? There was not enough to go around, it seems, and you were kind of worried about it with the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Maybe there were not enough savings. Four of Cups in reverse, Four of Swords in reverse, and the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. You were expecting something from somebody, Taurus, in the past, and this was not offered to you, right? Somebody made a choice regarding it, you or the other person, that this investment or this job or something was not to be given to you, and you felt like you got cheated out of this. Somebody cheated you out of feeling that you did not get your fair share, or something maybe that you felt that you should have got. Yeah, you had a lot of, you put in a lot of effort in this work or business or money or whatever, and somebody played mischief with you here, Taurus. Even though you had your best interest here, and you expected, things to be equal and an equal give and take and whatever, corpus that was made was not, I think, handed to you in the correct way. Somebody made a fool of you. Somebody did not give you your rightful share, it seems. This, maybe you guys are not even talking to each other right now after this decision was made regarding splitting up the money or finances or business or whatever. And you're trying very hard to understand this, even though it's given you a lot of sleepless nights. You've really worried about this for a very long time, right? Or you are going through it right now. That's sad. Somebody did play mischief with you, right? Somebody played mischief with you. And this could have been a stable person, or maybe you were you felt very stable in the past. And there was a lot of growth in this corpus as well. Now you are in almost like in hermit mode, trying to understand what happened. Things were growing so beautifully, and you've kind of been left out of, or not been given your equal share. Let's see what's coming up for you. Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, this is like releasing. You're releasing this, putting a death to whatever you were holding on. Maybe you were holding on to money very tight. You were expecting something to come from the past, which didn't come. And now that you've been enlightened about that and you've thought about it, now you're releasing this desire, right? You're saying, okay, maybe I was earlier thinking this is it and I'm not going to get anything else. And whatever I have, I must hold on to. I see in the month of August, you're letting that feeling go. You're putting a death to the old now, and you decided that I'm going to now move ahead passionately in my own life and bring about a transformation. I'm no longer going to wait for anyone else to do right by me, or some justice has not been done to me, and I'm releasing this heartbreak. Whatever you were expecting, when it didn't come to you, Taurus, it hurt you. It really, really bothered you for a while only. But now I see you coming out as the Queen of Wands. A Queen of Wands is, don't go by the gender, Taurus. This could be masculine or feminine, right? This is just a character to say this person, when you get a card like this, you're going to now never look back and move passionately ahead for new projects, new things, and find happiness and abundance on your own. One more card, Spirit. Now you're going to get lots of new offers as well in August. Okay? Many new offers are going to be presented to you, and it's going to make you feel really good about yourself, to a point where the old will be dead to you. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who did what, who gave you what. If people did not give you what you deserved, you will never have to worry again, Taurus, because you're going to be getting a new offer soon, and you're going to be moving passionately ahead. So Spirit is saying, this is in the hold, what should you hold on to, right, position. So Spirit says, hold on to this feeling. Hold on to this feeling that the old chapter of your life is gone. No more expectations. The only thing that hurts us, Taurus, in life is expectation. So the minute you close that chapter, a brand new chapter of your life of abundance, happiness, joy, and money is going to pour into your life. So Spirit says, hold on to this feeling that, I'm going to have something brand new come into my life now. One more card, Spirit, for whatever made you feel unsuccessful. Maybe you were not feeling financially that secure in the past. Spirit is saying, just shut that chapter down. It's over. The feeling of never having enough is going to be soon over. Hold on to that feeling. Hold on to the feeling that you're going to start something new. Now, yes, either there'll be an air sign around you, Taurus, or you're going to embody this King of Swords, where you'll make very, very logical and very smart decisions in your life now coming up for the future. Now, no more bullshit, no more being the Queen of Cups and trusting everybody and trusting people are going to give you your due. No more of that. Now you're going to be very discerning, and in this new chapter that you're going to start in your life, just maybe mindful. Spirit says that yes, you can use the sword. You can use the sword to make clear decisions for yourself, but don't turn into this Queen of Swords in reverse. Queen of Swords is a queen who is totally distrusting. She doesn't trust anyone. So Spirit is saying, just be mindful of this, that you don't become that strong that you start being distrustful of anybody and everybody, because there are good people in this world, Taurus, and don't become bitter and upset to a point where it makes you unhappy as well. What is it that you should let go of? Let go, Spirit is saying, of pride and ego. Exactly the same thing. Don't come to a point where you don't trust anyone. It's me all the time now because of what you've suffered in the past. Excuse me. So Spirit is saying, yes, be mindful, look at everyone. Maybe you do a little spy work to see, what their background check and everything is. But drop this feeling of ego and pride, that I'm going to do it alone. Don't try and do everything by yourself, because that may come across as to other people that she is victorious or he is victorious on their own. They don't need any help. But if you see this card of the Six of Wands, there is one person here on a horse with their wand, but there are many others behind him as well, right? What is fame and victory if there are no fans? So allow people into your life and don't be in that mode of, I'm never going to trust anyone again, because that can become a blockage in your life, Taurus. So just be open. Yes, be mindful. Be mindful so that you don't attract any mischief makers into your life, like this Page of Swords in reverse, who you probably dealt with in the past. Let's see, what is your biggest hurdle this month, Taurus? Five of Wands in reverse. Any kind of conflict or any mind conflict, maybe your inner conflict, to feel that you can ever have stability on your own. Right now, your biggest hurdle is going to be if you're confused, if you are over emotional, if you're having any kind of inner conflict to say, I'm never going to have stability in my life on my own. It's never going to happen again for me, right? And because what's going to happen, why is that a hurdle, Taurus? Is because you're going to start blocking off all the new blessings which are coming your way. So please be mindful that you don't stay in this energy for too long of being, confused and overly emotional in a negative space. See how these people are fighting? This is your own mind fighting with you. The devil taking over to say you're not capable. But Spirit is saying you're very, very, very capable of, having stability back in your life. Just don't block it off with your own mindset. So let's see how people around you view you, Taurus, now. Wheel of Fortune. So I think people have a lot of faith in you, Taurus. They feel that you can accomplish anything you want at any given time. They see you very successful. They see you as a go-getter. They see you are victorious. You are somebody to be, followed, because you can change things around anytime you want. But I think, Taurus, some people who know you very, very well, maybe your close friends or family, are also knowing that you're a bit depressed at the moment. You are still very regretful and very sad about what happened in your past. They are wishing and hoping with you that some justice is brought to you, some balance can be brought back into your life. They don't like to see you this sad and unhappy, Taurus. This could be your parents, could be your friends, family, children, spouse, anyone. So they see you as sad, and they are really wishing and hoping also that balance be brought back into your life, because they see you like this, right? They see you as somebody who deserves to be victorious and deserves to have this Wheel of Fortune always rolling in a very positive manner. So if you have these kind of people around you, count your blessings, Taurus, because these are wonderful, you have a good soul family around you who has their best interest at heart for you. Let's see what is Spirit's secret message for you. Two of Wands in reverse. Yes, Spirit is saying that turn your back now on this past thing which didn't work. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. As depressed as you are, Taurus, this is what is in store for you. This has come out again. This card is such a special card in the tarot deck. It's the card of, how when we see, say, a superstar and we say, wow, look at this person, so victorious, and this is what is in store for you, Taurus. Stop looking back at what is lost. You're capable of becoming bigger than you ever were before. You're going to be so victorious, and you're going to send me a message or a comment soon to say, hey, Omkara Tarot, you were right, things really worked out. So all you have to do is stop blocking your energy now. Trust that you are this. Make a vision board and see yourself here, and it's going to happen for you. Don't be confused anymore. You're going to have so many options opening up for you, Taurus, that you'll be confused now. You won't have any time for tarot readings anymore, it seems. Right now, things are going to happen very, very fast for you, Taurus, and you won't even know how fast your life is going to change. But the minute you have to walk away from the past, the minute you walk away from the past, all your dreams are going to come true, okay? And it's going to be passionate forward movement in your life. And new energies are going to open up, which are now, this feeling lost and abandoned and left out in the cold is going to be a thought of the past. Very soon, a brand new beginning is coming for you, Taurus. A leap of faith is all that is required from your end. That's what Spirit says. You take that jump, we'll catch you. Just don't look back anymore at what was lost. Beautiful. Let's take an angel blessing card for you as well. So Spirit, what do we have for Taurus for money and work? What is the blessing that you can give them? Any advice or blessing from your end? Manage your stress first of all, okay? Manage your stress, go for little walks, stop thinking about the past, think of happier things. What Spirit is right now trying to say, that once you have taken control of these emotions which are putting you in a negative space, very soon after you've taken control, healing will come to the situation. Things are going to heal for you. Give all your troubles to the universe. Look at this, angels lifting their hands up. Just like this, lift up all your worries and stresses and give them to the spiritual world, and they are going to heal you. Very soon, you will have so many offers coming your way. People will be flocking you. And steady progress is going to start in your life again, which is going to lead to so much victory. I mean, I can't believe this card, Taurus, for you. You had it here, this person on the horse, be feeling victorious. You've had it here, this person on the horse feeling victorious. This is what is in store for you. Okay, so if you are here right now feeling depressed and sad, Taurus, right now I want you to change your mind and just imagine yourself in this victorious space and see how the blessings are going to start flowing into your life. With that said, I wish you bye for now. See you next week. Love and light. Namaste to all of you out there. See you soon next week.